I'm a little bit for it, if I can be just honest, because what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell to stay what's up on what's going on. And listen, today I want to talk about this TikTok ban. This TikTok ban, y'all, has been it's been a lot around this thing. And if you've been staying up to date with the news and even just on social media, you've heard the rumors, you've heard the updates, the facts about this TikTok ban. My personal opinion, I'm a little bit for it, if I can be just honest, because it's just a lot of social media platforms out right now, and it's just so much going on. It's like, hey, let's tone it down a little bit. However, I am on the other side of like content creators like using different platforms that work best for them so that they can get paid, so they can reach a larger audience, all those types of things. So I'm like 50-50 with it. Let me know in the comments what you think. But if you don't know about this TikTok ban, TikTok could be going away in January 19th of 2025, and they have a chance on January 10th, I believe, to figure out what they can do, and like come up with like their statement to Congress, and from them basically like banning the app and all that type of stuff. And the reason why the government wants to ban TikTok in the United States is because they believe that China is getting like our data, and like it's like a data breach and all that type of stuff. Like they are thinking there are some security concerns when it comes to like using TikTok here in the United States, because it is a platform that is based out of China. And so they're just thinking about it from like a security perspective, you know what I'm saying? Or just like, hey, is this something that is good for our audience and our citizens to use? So I get it, but I'm also like, where are the facts? Is this true? What is this, just a game? But that was under the Biden administration. And then of course we know like President-elect Donald Trump is up next to be president in 2025. And so there's been rumors, or there's been talks that he's actually not gonna ban TikTok. So we honestly don't know what to expect. So I'm just on the fence, just like you all, just like, hey, where are we at? What's gonna happen next? And so, however, I think it'll be unfortunate if it does go away, because so many people are getting paid from it. So man, I know for sure that some of my close friends have been getting paid from TikTok, and TikTok has paid a lot of money to these people and brands just because like they've been using that platform, and they've been getting like large amounts of views and all that type of stuff, and followers and stuff. And so I know that they have like a content creator program, and so I don't know how much like the range is for it, but I know for sure like people can either get a range of like 14,000 to like, whatever monthly. I don't really know. Just like YouTube, depending on how many views you get, what your followers are, all that type of stuff, that will determine the revenue that you get. So there's a way that you can monetize your TikTok. And so it's unfortunate that it may be banned, because that's going to be, unfortunately, a loss for a lot of people. If we're just honest, that's their job, and they could be losing their job. And so when I think of it in that manner, I'm like, let's not delete it. Let's not ban this thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's actually keep it for the sake of this is actually paying people's bills. This is actually a way for content creators and businesses and all these amazing people to get paid, and they're using that money however they want to use it. However, this is something that is sustaining people here in the United States. So I know that it's a security issue. However, let's think about this in another way, right? I know that there may be different things going on behind the scenes with like security and like all of the data breaching and stuff. I get it. However, it's also taking care of people. So I don't want to see people lose their jobs over this. And so it's supposed to be a fun, app, and it can be definitely on the edge a little bit, I would say, but that's what every social media platform, and if that's the case, we should look at all of them. So what's your opinion on TikTok? That's just my 2 cents on it. I think that they should really come with a strong case in January 10th, and I'll keep you guys updated on this TikTok ban and stuff like that. But that's currently what's going on today, and I really hope that they can figure out some type of way. Maybe there's like a common ground, or you know, there's something that they can do to at least give and take, you know what I'm saying, and keep things rolling for right now. So let me know what y'all think. Again, thank y'all for joining me today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.